This house needed a new roof stat. The latest storm had caused some severe tree damage on multiple areas. After removing the multiple layers of shingles, we uncovered extensive areas of rotten decking beneath the original roof. We ended up replacing all the rotten materials that was installed in order to start installing the new upgraded system. The new roofing system received an all-around upgrade from the ice and water barrier, synthetic underlayment, plus the upgraded shingle from 3-tab to architectural, and where there was no ventilation before, we installed an inlined ridge vent system. The new GAF HDZ shingle system, it gives this home a fresh look and it's a durable finish. And because it's backed by one of the nation's best roof warranties, this homeowner has peace of mind. Magnum Construction, building trust one roof at a time.